Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can solve the lagging problems in the CapCut PC. So if you found that CapCut PC is lagging while you are editing your projects, here's what you need to do. The first thing, you can just turn on the proxy on CapCut PC by default. So what you need to do before starting a new project, you need to go to settings. Okay, and then click on the performance tab, and here is the proxy settings. So just enable the proxy mode so that when you create a new project, this will be, or the proxy mode will be on by default. Okay, click on save, or if you open your project, you can also do it manually. You can see on this project that the proxy mode is on, so you can just turn this on or off by modifying it by clicking on the modify button, performance, and here to prevent lagging you need to turn this on. So if this is off, you cannot speed up your editing, but if this is on, you can speed up your editing, and also the video quality won't be affected. So just make sure that the proxy is on, click on save, and your video editing on CapCut PC will not be lag. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on a thanks. Bye.